I always wanted to start something like on YouTube, social media, to have some presence, to show how easy to cook, because I feel it's very overwhelming when you see it on the video. So I want to make it very easy, very simple, and I came up with this meat mo meat. You see what's happening with that one? And yesterday I was walking around, we were shopping, it's a weekend, we're shopping at Costco. What should I start with? What should I start with? I need something simple. I'm not gonna go to that big brisket piece. So I found this, and it was on sale. Costco always have stuff on sale. Great price, very nice shrimps. And I decided to start with smoking some shrimps. Let's get started and clean those giant shrimps. I would do these on the sink, but as I promised you, I want to make everything easy and accessible. I'll do one or two here and then we'll jump to the sink. So we come here, there's always this side, the flexible part. You mostly get the whole thing with you, but you still need to make sure that you got everything. So we go with this, we go like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Just take it out. You open the shell that we just got, and you get this black one. It's not good to keep. Make sure that you remove it. Again, it's way simpler process when you have it on the sink with the running water on top, and that's it. We take the tail down. You can cut it with the knife, usually easy, flexible. You can do it like that as well. The pulling method, it gives you the final part of it. And I'm gonna take the rest of them under the sink, clean it. We'll come back after. So we added here some garlic powder, some onion powder, salt, paprika. Now we're back. These are the shrimps after we cleaned them. When you wash your shrimp, you'll have a lot of water. So I like to put them like that. Okay, I just like to quickly have them dry like that. For these, I like to drizzle some olive oil. And why we drizzle some olive oil is just to help the rub to stick on them. We do a toss. We coat the first layer. We get the second layer. Okay. And this is the last one. Look at that color in the sign. Don't mind my fingers. By the way, I got a haircut. I saw the shrimp needs some time in the fridge, so I got a haircut. Anyway, usually the Traeger is for low and slow meat. But I've been having this for a long time now, and I tried so many things with it, and I know everything on the Traeger like cooks different because it cooks through and it doesn't dry the meat, the shrimp, the chicken, whatever it is, because like it gives it that vibe. So I'm just gonna go quickly, grab my tongue, open the Traeger, and start putting my shrimp just like that. The Traeger cooks whatever meat in a very nice way, very nice way. It doesn't dry the meat, keeps it nice. This is my secret sauce for this, for shrimp. I like to put some after, just a bit. See the smoke is you're getting that. Close it, give it 3 to 4 minutes on each side. 3 to 4 minutes, sometimes it will take less. Just 3 to 4 minutes, you're good. We go in because it's so cold. So it's cold, you guys, and this is how we do barbecue in Canada. The good thing with cold, you can literally warm up your hand on this. Okay, so now it's 375. So what I did when I opened it, I put the shrimp. The temperature went low to 200, 250. So when I covered it, I didn't start counting to 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes 350. So you gotta make sure that you don't count the time until it's 350, because you need 2 to 3 minutes per each side at least, but that per each side when it's like 350 Fahrenheit. So now we're good. I think it's been cooking for like 2 minutes. between 370 and between 350, sorry, and 375. Now we're good. It's time to flip. Are you guys ready? Okay. Looking good, looking good. So we're gonna flip them really quick. We're here again in another, literally it was like 4 to 5 minutes, because it went down to 250 and it took like 3-4 minutes to get back at 350. I put it 2 minutes. This is literally 2 minutes, and I think now they're cooking nice. I haven't opened it, haven't seen them. Let's see. They're very nice. You don't want them to dry. This is very nice. That's it. They're good. Here we go. Got them ready. Just like you can present them the way that you like. I like this. I like it simple. Just put the shrimp, put some, I like parsley or green onion. Onion gives it very nice flavor since we have onion powder in them. Okay, go like this with some fresh lemon. The yummiest thing about the shrimp is to go with the lemon right after you finish cooking. So they're hot. They're sizzling. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Look at this here. I wish you guys can smell this. Look at this. Oh my goodness! Kids! Dinner's ready! Dinner's ready! Come here for the shrimp! I'm still eating these. I cannot stop. I'm sorry, I'll be talking while I'm eating. So, let me know what you like us to try next. Definitely I'm going to try brisket, short ribs, barbecues, different steaks. But let me know if you have anything special that we need to try. And on that end, have a good night.